Good morning, ladies. Tuesday, July 29th. Here's Ma and her two boys. There's Black Stripe and White Patch. Oh, Nebby, how you doing? Ooh. Nebby. And there's Blindy, my favorite chicken. Look at these two little midgets. My two little girls. Y'all gonna make me some money with this handsome feller down here. I pronounce y'all husband and wife and stepchild. What you think about that? And there are my two Cosmos. Fat Cosmo, who's a drop-off. He's a weather. And then me and that other person, weathered Cosmo on the right. And here's one of my boys. So, all is well. My neighbor, Johnny. What's up, Johnny? Hey, hey! All right. I gotta finish that oak. What's up? Here's this little pain in the ass dog who I'm trying to be friends with. Cujo, I love you. Thank you, man. Work in progress.